Hey guys, I am back with my inner carton. I am going to be taking out my second box today. Let's get that aside. My first box, if you watched my last video, I don't know if you'll actually believe that, but that video was nice enough to get me a currency redemption card. As well as, I thought this was a Bitcoin really rare, but that is just a Gemstone Refractor numbered, and it's a barrel, so it's out of 149. It's the least rare, but that currency redemption card I do have, and I'm probably gonna make another video soon when I scratch that. You know how hard it is to not scratch that and know what you have. So we'll see, but that's for another time. I am going to open up this mega box. I was very happy with the last one. Again, like I said, these are my first mega boxes I've gotten. And I'm just very impressed and happy with these cards as well. They are beautiful. So fun to do this, and good to keep as collectors stuff. So. Alright, again, that's that box. Let's go with pack one of our second mega box. Alright, we got another Barksy. RC. Banksy. It says Barksy there, but it's Banksy. 43. Is that another Cornelius Vanderbilt RC? Yes, it is. Ooh, that's a nice... Is that a cold foil or iced foil? Yes, parallel iced foil. That's a nice one. I kind of like that. First one of this. Ooh, that's a dog with hat. Oh, it's a 41 SP too. I jumped in on this coin, and I spent a lot on it when it was up a little too high. So I'm actually losing money off of this, but hey, that's a cool coin. It's a cool card. I like it. Alright. That's nice too. That's my first one of these. German 100 Deutsche Mark 36. And we get another Satoshi Nakamoto. I've got one of those, number 3. Very nice. Very nice for the first 5. Let's go pack number 2. Alright, just got one of those yesterday. Very nice. Got Harry Potter. I could feel the bend in these cards, so you know when there's a bend that it's possibly something thicker and nicer. We'll see. It's a Harry Potter. 63. Wow, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous card. This is, it looks like another Gemstone Refractor. And it's a white one. I don't know. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let's see what it is. Out of 45, 34 out of 45. Number 5 card, Standing Liberty Quarter. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I'm going to have to, once I get all these together, I will list out which gemstone this one is. It's white, right? So would that be, is that opal? I don't know. We'll look at that later, but that is a gorgeous, gorgeous card already. I am extremely happy with that. And then underneath it is a very nice, it's a parallel rainbow holofoil. Ruby, number 8. Very nice. And a Bitcoin. Number 50. Very nice. This card I am extremely happy with. Those are beautiful. These are beautiful. They make me happy. All right, pack number 3. There's another ruby. SP. Nice. Got this guy. Cryptography 35. There we go. I have a rainbow holofoil. RC. Ramses. Number 19. That's my first one of these. Bitcoin number 56. And another ruby, regular ruby. 8. Very good. Very good. Pack number 4. That looks like a little Pepe, doesn't it? Yield farming. Okay, so they don't talk about that at all. Maybe just interesting. Got the Morgan dollar. Number 64. Ooh, there we go. Another one of these. So actually, I have a iced foil of this. I do not have this rainbow holofoil. That actually makes that really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. I like that a lot. Number 3, Satoshi Nakamoto. That's another Bible. 14 SP. Nice. A different one of the Bible. Very cool. I like the short prints. Short packed, short print, one of those. And then one of these, the most expensive handbag, purse. 48. Very good, very good. All right, let's go to pack 5. Hot wallet. Here we go, hot wallet. Number 39. Let's get all the cards in view. This one, I've had a couple of these. Creature from Jekyll Island, number 6. Here we go. We got a cold wallet and a parallel matrix parallel holofoil. Is that what it is? Yeah, parallel matrix holofoil and a cold wallet. I believe that's a short print then. That's a beautiful card. And it is a 39 short print. And a matrix holofoil, cold wallet. Very nice. Beautiful. Got another one of these. Throw it around. Throw the Dow. 42. And then some oil. 57. Very nice. Pack number 6. Widow's Mite, number 30. Another Banksy. Banksy 43. Here we go. We got another Matrix Parallel Holofoil. Very, very nice card. RC as well. That's Helen of Troy, number 7. Excellent. I know these, the Parallel Matrix Holofoils, by the way, are an exclusive to the Mega Box. And then you're going to have the other collector's boxes actually have a different, it's the Crystal Sparkle. So also know that there's certain cards you can get from certain packs. This is a new card for me. This is kind of really cool. French onion dip. But that's an iced foil, so it's shiny. Buy the dip. Ah, I like that. Buy the dip, number 69. Very nice. I like that. That's a new card for me as well. No, I think I have one of these. Yep, Jack Dorsey, 55. Very cool. Very cool. I like these a lot. Very nice. All right, pack number 7. We got 2 more packs in this mega box unboxing. What we got right here? Got another Morgan dollar. 64. Another not gold. 25. Here we go. We got a... Ooh, that's actually really cool. I think it's just a parallel rainbow holofoil. I like that it's got all this stuff in there too. That is nice. That is very nice. With the RC too. Very beautiful. I like it. Euclid, number 31. Beautiful. Okay, we got an iced foil of Rockefeller, I believe that is, right? John D. Rockefeller? Yes, number 12. Iced foil. Very cool. I don't remember seeing... I guess it is that. Very nice. Another RC. Another RC. Yeah, I'm not going to say that right. Number 47. Ancient Pharaoh. Very cool. Alright, guys. These videos are getting shorter as I go faster through these, but here's my last pack for today. Got another Bitcoin. Number 50. We got a Steamboat Wheelie with Mickey Mouse in there. 24. Ooh, there we go. Very nice. Another Matrix Holofoil. I believe that's Litecoin. Absolutely gorgeous card. Absolutely gorgeous. Litecoin, number 28. And another RC. Ramses. And a Wu-Tang Clan record. Once Upon a Time in Shaolin record, number 53. What's in the box? All right. That is the collection for today. We definitely got some nice parallel matrix holofoils. And we got one of these, which is a numbered gemstone, serial number gemstone refractor. So, I'm not sure if this is the Opal or something else, but the lower the number on the back end, the more rare it is. So there's only 45 of these compared to 149 of the other one that I had. So that's getting better, but these are nice. These are all absolutely gorgeous. Still so very happy with every pack I keep opening. Keep adding it to the collection. So thanks for joining me again. We will see you on the next unboxing. Thanks for following. Take care.